Good morning, students. Today we'll see our next part of our lesson number 12, subject maths, that is perimeter and the area. And last time I already started the perimeter and the area part. And last time you are seeing how to find out the perimeter. Perimeter means sum of the length of all sides of a closed figure. And last time you are seeing that formula also for finding the perimeter of a rectangle, that is a 2 length plus 2 breadth. If you want to find out the perimeter of a square, that time you have to use a 4 into side. Then now I will start the next part of this lesson, that is the area. That area will be come inside part. In the perimeter you are seeing, we have to see the outside part, whatever they are given the side, there some you want to do. But for our area we have to see the inner part, we have to see. And for that one, here see two formulae they are given in your textbook. That is the area of a square. If you want to find that time, we have to use this formula, that is a side multiplied by side, or you can write side square. Okay, side multiplied by side or side square. This is a both any one formula you can use. Again, if you want to find out the area of a rectangle, then they will give the length and the breadth. That length and the breadth means length multiplied by breadth, or you can write shortly L into B. Okay, then this is about the formula for area of a square and the area of a rectangle is there. And again, area is measured in a square meter, square centimeter, or square kilometer. See here, after finding their answer, if they are given the side in meter, then that time you write a square meter. If they are given the side in centimeter, that time you can write a square centimeter. If they are given their side as in kilometer, then that time you write as a square kilometer as their unit. Then this is about the two formulas are there for finding the area of a square and the area of a rectangle. And see, in your textbook also they are given some examples that are related to area, that also you can see here. And again here some one or two example they are given here. Rectangular playground is 65-meter long and 30-meter wide. A pathway is a 1.5 meter wide, goes all around the ground, then outside it find the area of a pathway they are given. See here, one A B C D, if you consider that is a playground, and their length will be the 65-meter, breadth will be 30-meter, and around that one playground, one what 1.5 meter width goes all around the ground. All around the ground here PQRS is a, what you can say, this will be the total what you can say the outside part. Inside that whatever they are leaving the 1.5 meter pathway, from all side they are left. Then here how to find out that inner part of that area, how you can find. Here you first you find out the area of a PQRS and area of ABCD. This both area you subtract it, will get whatever they are given the inner width, that we have to find out. Okay, then here that inner rectangle length and breadth they are given, but they are not given the length of PQRS, that outside. Then how you can find that total 65 length, you add 1.5 above, 1.5 below, will get a 68 meter length. And a breadth of new rectangle PQRS, how you can find 30 meter plus this 1.5 plus this 1.5, will get here 33 meter. Then here area of a rectangle PQRS and minus area of a rectangle ABCD, you do it, will get the answer 68 multiplied by 33, you write it here, and 65 multiplied by 30, you write it here, and you subtract this both this multiplication, will get the area of the path. Okay, then this type of examples they are given here. And here one more example they are discussed, that also you can see. But now I will start the practice set number our 45. In that practice set number 45, we want to find out the area of a square and the rectangle. Then first example will take, if the side of a square is a 12 centimeter, find its area, they ask here. See here how to find out that area. See here, area of a square formula you can write side square, that is a 12 square will come 12 multiplied by 12, that will get a 144 square centimeter, because they are given a side in a centimeter. Okay, this is about the first example. Now here second example is there. If the length of a rectangle is 15 centimeter and the breadth is a 5 centimeter, find its area. Then how to find out? See here we have to use a formula for area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, or shortly you can write L into B. that is a 15 multiplied by 5 will get 75 square centimeter, because they are given the side in a centimeter. Okay, then this is about the area of the rectangle. Now we'll come to our third example of this practice set number 45. See this example, what they ask, area of a rectangle is a 102 square centimeter, means 102 square centimeter is there. If the length is 17 centimeter, what is the perimeter, they ask here. See, this question is little bit different. Here they are given the area of a rectangle and length they are given, but they are not given the breadth. Then first you want to find out using the area and length. First you want to find out the breadth, then you know the length and the breadth, then you can find the easily perimeter of a rectangle. Then this type of examples also they will ask. Then see here, I will show you how to solve this third example. First you write area of rectangle formula L into B, that is a 102 into 17 multiplied by B. Then a B, how you can find this 17, you take this side, don't take this 102 to this side, 17 number you have to take this side. Okay, multiplication will become a division. Then B is equal to 102 upon 17, and you know the 17 6 are 102 will come, means breadth will come 6 centimeter. Now you know the length and the breadth, use our rectangle perimeter formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth, or you can use this formula 2 into bracket L plus B. Put the values, and 17 plus 6 will come 23, 23 2s will come 46 centimeter. Then this way you can find the perimeter using the area of a rectangle and the length. First you find the breadth, then you do the calculation for perimeter of rectangle. Then a fourth example, see that if the side of a square is triple, see that question is a star they are done. When this question is little bit what you can say, the complications will be there, but if you understand, then it is very easy example. Then see here, if the side of a square is a triple, how many times will its area as compared to the area of original square? See here, two squares are there. One square, if you consider, their side will be the A. Okay, old square this is. If you consider their side will be the A, then area of that square of a side A will come what? Side into side means A square is equal to square units will come. Okay, why I written square unit? Because they are not given any unit. That time you can write square units. Then here, area of a square of a side 3A. Why I taken the side 3A? Because they are given. If the side of a square is triple, triple means if you consider first old square side will be A, then their new square side will be triple, means 3A you want to do it. And you know the formula for side into side, that is 3A into 3A will come 9A square, square unit. Okay, and here they ask here, what they ask here, see that how many times will its area will be compared to the area of original square. Means here you want to do the area of this both 9A square upon A square, you do it, because they ask how many times they ask here. Then here what will comes here, this 9A square upon A square will comes here. This A square is there, means what they will indicate, that whatever the whatever this new square will be formed, no, that area will be 9 times the original square will come, means here 9 times that area will come. And here if the side of a square is a triple, its area become a 9 times the original square. Then this is a calculation part will be there, and this way you can solve the practice set number 45. And here I given some problem for practice. You find the area of a square using a side into side square. Okay, and here I given some example of find the area of a rectangle, use the formula for length into breadth. And here I given one example, that is the area of rectangle they are given, length they are given. First you want to find out the breadth, then you have to find out the perimeter. Use like our third example, same way you have to do this practice example also in your notebook. Then this way you can complete the part of our area, that is a practice set number 45.